I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. You guys, tonight I will be doing a box braid tutorial. As you can see, I already parted my hair because I had too much dandruff and I was not finna do that on camera. Y'all was not finna talk about me in the comments. No, because I would go off on you. You already know me. See? Okay, you guys, I already parted my hair, so we'll get into this video. And this is the hair I'll be using. I'm be using this hair right here, Baby Boss. I like using this hair, and I think these braids could be long because I'm not gonna cut it. I don't even feel like doing extra stuff. It's late at night, and I just want to get down my hair. So I got 3 packs of this. I think I'm gonna need some more because I got a big head. So yeah, and this is some long hair. I like long braids though. That's what I like. So we gonna see. And my parts, they are not perfect, y'all. So oh well, but it don't matter. Shit, I ain't gonna have a minute that long anyway, so it don't matter. I like all of this, so that's all that matters. So let's get into this video, you guys. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Period. Okay, you guys. I think I'm gonna start at the back. I think I'm gonna start at the back here. I know that back part messed all the way up, so at least they're in the back. Anybody gonna see them for real, so it don't matter. I'm gonna just put this extra hair up like this and start on it. I know I'm probably speed up this some of these parts. This will be a long video. It probably take me about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. I don't know. I hope it don't take long. This ain't my first time doing box braids. I did box braids like this is probably my 5th time doing them. I get better and better every time I try, but I'm still not the best at it. So yes, sir. We're gonna see how this goes. And this hair is already pre-stretched. I'm not doing all that stretching. No, I get pre-stretched hair because I don't have time for that. I did that other hair one time and it didn't work out. So that's all I use is pre-stretched hair. So yeah, this is it. And we're gonna get it in. Period. Let's go. What side I want to start on? This hair just keep on popping out. Right, get in there. It already ain't that long, so I don't know why it's trying to pop out. I ain't got no long hair. Ugh. Alrighty, let's get it. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. Y'all probably can't see. I'll probably show y'all when I do these braids up here because I barely can see it myself here. I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Okay, y'all, this is the first braid. It's long. Look at this thing, it's long. Y'all just don't know. I be feeling myself. But yeah, this is the braid, y'all. It's so long. It's so long. It could have been longer, but y'all can't see how long it is. It's right by my booty. Man, I don't know why would the back take me so long. Like, come on now. Hold up, just to make another one. Hey, hey, hey. I'm on that new shit. You on that last year. What you doing, girl, with all that? Ooh, Lord. 30 minutes to this video. that's all I did. I don't know why I'm going so slow tonight. You used to go faster than this now. Girl, I know that you're right. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. You gon' show me love, treat it like we freaking on the weekend. Yeah, I'm gonna put one burgundy braid right here. I don't want to put burgundy all over my hair. I just want to try some color a little bit. So just put one burgundy braid right here instead in the front, cause I don't know. We're gonna see how it look. If I don't like it, I'm gonna take it right back down. Let's see. This is how the burgundy braid looks. Can you see? Can you see, guys? Do it look alright right now? Let me know in the comment section. In the comment section if this look alright. I'm gonna put it on both sides. I like it a little bit. I don't care. I'm gonna leave it just like that. I like it, period. I ain't trying to get preachy. Yeah, this how both sides look right now. I like it. Tell me in the comment section if you like it. If you don't, you a hater, period. Yeah, let's get finished. And the night belongs to us. Alright, y'all, I'm finna show y'all how to do my braids. So my hair is very thin in the front. So yeah, look at this. It's so thin. We're gonna try to work with it though. We're gonna work with it. I got that real African hair, baby. It is so nappy, I can't do nothing with it. Okay, so let me get in the camera. I got both of my hands like this. It might be hard to explain, but this is how I do it, so y'all pay attention, okay? Okay, so I do it like this. I wrap it around that. One hand on that side, the other one in the middle, and the other one right here. Okay? So I just take this side like that. And I get the small piece right here. And I go under like that. And it's not going to be perfect, y'all. So don't think, oh, that's an ugly braid. I told y'all it's not going to be perfect. So, yeah. What's on my face? So, yeah. I just do that. Come around with it. Like that. And I'm going to add some hair in with it. Let's get this hair. Let me add some hair into it. So I just add some hair from the other side. Well, from one of these sides. Like that. And just go under, over, under, over. Like that. Yeah, I look very cute right now. This light. Oh, if y'all need a ring light, y'all better go to Amazon. I'll put the link down below. They got them on sale for $60. And this is, the regular price is $150, but they got them on sale until January the 12th for $64. So if you see this video, you better go ahead and jump in the ring light if you need one. But yeah, I just do it like this and just braid it down. Look how it looks. It could be better right there, but I'm not gonna start over. I'm gonna try to look like a tired mother, even though I am. Okay, and this how the braid look. It got some little bumps in the road, but baby girl, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Like I said, it doesn't matter. We right here. Okay. Don't look that bad. Let me see. It look good. Say don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put more burn in it than I thought I was, because I'm not finna go buy no more hair. So I'm gonna have to make this enough, because I'm not finna go buy no more hair tomorrow. I'm finna finish this hair tonight. Period. Ooh. Yeah, I'm an hour and 30 minutes in, and this is how far I got. Hey guys, I'm back. I had to stop for a minute. My phone died, so I had to charge my phone up. But I got 5 braids left, and this is how far I got, y'all. This is how far I got. Yeah, it's literally 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired, but I'm still gonna get 5 braids out the way, baby. I gotta take a shower, clean the mess up, go to sleep, because I got a coupon in the morning, y'all. And make sure y'all go subscribe to my coupon channel if you like to save money like I do. I like to save all the money I can. So if you want to learn how to coupon, go subscribe to my channel, Coupon in Aquaria. I have in the description box, y'all. Yeah, I need a skincare routine, because my face getting bumps on it, and I don't like that. I don't like bumps on my face. Make me like I'm nasty or something. I'm like, that look nasty. Like I got some. I ain't got nothing.
So you will load the $5 off of 25 DG digital coupon. Okay, that's good for Saturday. You'll load the $1 off of Hotmail digital coupon. That is a $5 off of 2.
Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. Here we go. And I ended up way more burgundy than I thought, but I think it looked good. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's cute. So let me see. Yeah, my braids could have been a lot better, but your girl got sleepy at the end. So I said, baby girl, this gonna have to work, y'all. So look, this is it. Yeah, that's it. So the only thing I do left is I gotta dip my ends. So I'm finna clean my trash up while I go boil me some water, and I'll be back to show you the end result, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I'm finna dip my hair in this water. Ooh, it's hot too. I got my little thingy to dip my hair in. I got this from a tree. It's called Treasure Hunt that we got down here. It was $5, so I snatched it up. Just put both sides in here. Look at my ends. Wait a minute. Put this extra half here. So I'm just gonna dip them in this hot water. This stuff is hot. I'm gonna make. Oh. Yeah, this water is so hot. Oh shit. Some of it get dipped. See? Let me put them there again. I ain't trying to get burnt by the water. Shit. Oh yeah, the extra. Shit. That water's so hot. Dang. Okay. There go that side. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. I know you probably can't see it, but I'm gonna put a clip at the end of this video so you can see the end of it because it's some long hair. And yeah, you guys, this is it. I love how it turned out. Hope you guys like this video. Did you guys like my hair? Hope y'all like it, girl. So make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all comment down below. Make sure y'all subscribe to both of my channels. Subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my Coupon with Nicoria channel. I'll have it in the description box below. But y'all, look at my lips. My lips are popping right now. Y'all, this is the best lip gloss. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all know how YouTubers be like this right here. Y'all probably still can see it. But it's the best. I got it from my Beauty Supply store for $1. So I got like 5 of them today. Because I always lose these things. Like, I have them one day, next day they be gone. I think my child be doing something with them. She do. I know she do. She be trying to put them on herself. But yeah. Yeah, you guys, this is it. Let me see y'all see. Mommy back here. They're not that long, but they how I like them. Hey. And I cannot twerk. Let me stop. Okay, you guys. This is it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.